Today, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your blog page in your Teachable site's navigation menu using Drop and Blog. Once logged into your Teachable account, on the left-hand side, navigate to Site, then click on it. Under the expanded site settings, click on Navigation. You'll then be taken to the navigation page. Scroll down a little, and under Navigation bar, click on Add Link. A new page link pop-up will appear. You'll want to name your page, so under Text, type in your chosen name. For now, we'll use Blog. Under Link Destination, keep Teachable pages ticked because you're linking a page within your site. Then click on the drop-down and find the page you want to make a link to. For us, that's Blog, so let's select that. Under Open a New tab, tick No, because again, you're linking a page within your site. Then we'll leave the page visible to all. After that, click on Add Link. Then you will see that your page link has been added under the navigation bar. You can change the position of links by clicking on this icon, holding, then dragging them to your desired position. But for now, we'll leave everything the same. And when you're ready, make sure to click Save on the upper right. If you want to view your site and see that everything is in order, all you have to do is navigate over to the left-hand side and click on the dashboard icon. You'll be taken to your dashboard, and on the upper right, click on View Your School. Your site will be opened up in a new tab. Then you'll see that your page link has been added. Let's click on it. And there's your blog, successfully linked. And that's how you add a link to your blog page in your Teachable site's navigation menu using Drop and Blog. Happy blogging!